Hello and welcome to Learn Political Science. Today, our video is on the topic of political theory. Within this, we shall cover four primary segments. First, what is politics, theorizing the political. Second, definition of political theory. Third, aspects of political theory. And fourth, nature of political theory. Alright, before we start with the first subsection, let us first look into what is the subject matter of political theory. What is it all about? Well, political theory is an integral part of political science. It helps us better in understanding the concepts that have shaped our politics. It also supplies us with ideas, concepts, and theories for purpose of analysis, description, explanation, criticism, and also try to remove their deficiencies which are incorporated in political science. Let us begin with the first section. What is politics? Theorizing the political. To understand the meaning of political theory, one has to first understand the meaning of both political and theory separately. Theory. This is a Greek word relating to two other words. First word is theoria, meaning the activity to understand whatever is happening around us. Second word is theorem, which is the outcome obtained by the above activity of theorizing. For example, in case a theorist is dissatisfied with the incomplete knowledge and he wants to understand it in a detailed manner and on logical level. This starts the process of theorizing through discovery, research, or investigation. As a result of theorization, the conclusion, that is the theorem, will make us understand an incident in a better manner. On to the next word, politics. Like theory, politics is also a Greek word, which has evolved from the word polis, which is called a city-state, where the community is to take decision for all the perspectives of the good life of a community. Moving on to our second section, definition of political theory. Having classified the meaning of two words, political and theory, we now try to understand the term political theory through some definitions. George Sabine explains in his celebrated work that political theory is anything about politics or relevant to politics. In a narrow sense, he also calls it the disciplined investigation of political problems. Second thinker is David Held. He defines political theory as a network of concepts and generalizations about political life involving ideas, assumptions, and statements about the nature, purpose, and key features of government, state, and society, and about the political capabilities of human beings. Bloom defines political theory as a general understanding of the political world, a frame of reference. Without one, we should be unable to recognize an event as political, decide anything about why it happened, judge whether it was good or bad, or decide that what was likely to happen. Whereas Brecht, while explaining the meaning of political theory, emphasizes that it is the function of the political theorist to see sooner than others, to analyze more profoundly than others the immediate and the potential problems of the political life of society, to supply the practical politicians with alternative courses of action, the foreseeable consequences of which have been fully thought through, to supply him not only with brilliant ideas but with a solid block of knowledge on which to build. On the basis of the above definitions, we can identify some of the aspects of political theory which forms our third section. First, It is about the realm of politics only, political life of the citizen, his political behavior, his political ideas, the government that he seeks to establish, and the tasks expected from such a government. It seeks to evaluate, explain, and predict political phenomena. It attempts to understand political in relation to social, economic, moral, and the like. It seeks to build a good state and a good society that is historically tested and rationally attained. Moving on, our fourth section is the nature of political theory. Under this, we have political theory as history. Political theory without history is a structure without a base. Political theory is history in the sense that it seeks to understand the time, place, and the circumstances in which it evolves. Any political theory has to have facts as the basis, circumstances in which it develops, and the message, that is, political theory. It is therefore proper that the study of politics should essentially be a historical study. Second, political theory as philosophy. The sustenance of political theory depends on philosophy. Philosophy as the sum total of general laws, that is, morals, norms, and values, has served political theory well through ages. As Kant says, political philosophy has answered three questions: what can I know? What must I do? And what can I hope for? Without philosophy, no political theory can ever hope to exist. Third, political theory as science. Theory has to have science in so far as its conclusions are drawn after study, observation, and experiments, features that go along with any formal definition of science. Without the element of science, it would be a matter of mere fate, a conviction, or a belief. So, in conclusion, political theory is not all history, but it is history in the limited sense. It is not all philosophy, but it is philosophy in so far as it motivates. It is not all science, but it is science in so far as it responds to reason. So, a political theorist has to be a part historian, part philosopher, and a part scientist. This is the end of our video. I hope you like it. Here is a quick review of what we have covered in this video. Meanings of political theory, definition, aspects of political theory, and finally, nature of political theory. I hope the video was helpful. Do subscribe to our channel. Also like and share it. Thank you.